Is your school like most schools and falling short on the budget for student activities and supplies? Are you looking for a new fundraiser because the old fundraisers like unsafe door-to-door selling of wrapping paper and magazines just aren't working anymore, and selling unhealthy snacks is just not cool anymore? Well, those days are over. The Family Ads Network service introduces the MipTags Search Engine App Raiser. An app raiser is a family-friendly, fun, and free fundraiser that rewards schools and students for discovering new apps. The great thing is that this fundraiser is free and easy, and everyone can help. Here's how it works. Step 1. Sign your school up with the Family Ads Network service at familyadsnetwork.org to register to receive your share of the print ad revenue from fans-approved advertisers. Step 2. The school hands out the free monthly flyers to every student and teacher to take home to share with family and friends. Step 3. Parents with their students enter the tags from the flyer to discover and download new apps and games being marketed. Fans make sure that all apps and ads are family-friendly and approved. That's it! The MipTags monthly fundraiser is complete. Just sit back and wait for your fundraising check to arrive to assist with activities and supplies. Students and parents are rewarded with points that can be redeemed for education gift cards or scholarships. Everyone wins together. Register your school today. Visit familyadsnetwork.org to start collecting your rewards.